Hey Vex Nation! Welcome to the 2026-2027 video walkthrough of the VEX V5 Robotics Competition HeroBot. My name is Bailey Call, and in this video, we're going to be discussing the HeroBot for this year's game. This will serve as part one of a two-part video series on this robot. We'll give a general introduction and an overview to the robot. In the next video, we'll dive deeper under the hood to explore how you might modify the robot for improvement throughout the season. As always, the robot is designed to be built out of the VEX V5 Competition Starter Kit to play the 2026-2027 VEX V5 Robotics Competition game, Override. Go check out the Override reveal video to see how this year's game is played if you haven't seen it. There will be a link in the description below. HeroBots are designed to be simple yet effective starter robots for students, coaches, and any other participant to develop an understanding for the game and how it's played. In most cases, HeroBots cannot complete every task in a game, but they're capable of contributing meaningful points to an alliance. This year's V5 HeroBot is named Flex. The drivetrain on Flex is a bit different than that of previous year's HeroBots. This robot features 6 wheels, only 2 of which are powered. The center 4-inch Omni wheels are directly driven off of one 11-watt motor on each side. At the front and rear of the robot on each side, there are 2.75-inch traction wheels. The way these wheels are positioned, only the front or rear wheels of the robot will touch the tiles at any given time. This creates a drop center style drivetrain that can enable really fast and tight turns. The wheelbase at any given time is about half of the robot length, or the distance between the center wheels and the front or the back wheels. This setup creates a small turning radius, making the robot very nimble. The main game piece manipulator on Flex is the VEX Claw. If you've ever built a VEX Claw bot, this will look quite familiar. It's effective at handling upright pins and upright cups in Override. The claw mechanism works well to retrieve both cups and pins from the loaders, as well as the pre-staged stacks around the field. The third motor in the starter kit powers the claw. The claw is mounted to a simple 4-bar arm, driven by another motor that drives a 2-staged chain reduction to the arm. This is one of the simpler forms of an arm, and teams may find some struggles with the idea that the claw moves in an arc and does not lift vertically. There is one last mechanism on the robot, and you might be wondering, but how? There's only 4 motors in the kit, and we've used them all already. This wheel right up here, designed to actuate the toggles around the field, is powered using the same motor as the arm and is geared back up so it spins faster than the arm. Motor sharing is a popular technique in the VEX V5 robotics competition and is especially useful here where we only have 4 motors to build the HeroBot. Overall, Flex is versatile in its capabilities and can score in multiple places around the field. It can score multiple objects tall and manipulate the toggles. Once the stacks reach a certain height, this robot can still utilize the loader to assemble partial stacks for their partners, or focus on the toggles and the midfield at the end of the match. Part 2 of this video will explore some of the areas teams might choose to iterate upon. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and tune in for part 2.